Next, let's see some special writing modes. When enable the dual color writing mode, you can draw two kinds of strokes with one pen. For example, using the pen tip to select one color, and using the pen end to select another color. As you can see, by using different sides of the stylus, user can draw different strokes. The intelligent recognition function would automatically transform handwriting characters and shapes into printed forms. The multi-touch writing mode allowing 45 touch points to draw simultaneously. For in-class collaboration, you can enable the split screen mode. Whiteboard can split into 2 or 3 workspaces for students to independently create and share ideas.